Today we are going to see how to entering the values in Excel. Entering value in Excel sheet is a child's play, and this chapter shows how to enter values in an Excel sheet. A new Excel sheet is displayed by default when you open an Excel sheet as shown in the below screenshot. This is text insertion area. This is sheet area. Sheet area is the place where you type your text. The flashing vertical bar is called the insertion point, and it represents the location where text will appear when you type. When you click the box, then the box is highlighted. When you double click the box, the flashing vertical bar appears and you can start entering your data. So just keep your mouse cursor at the text insertion point and start typing whatever text you like to type. We had typed only 2 words. It's hello Excel as shown below. The text will appear to the left of the insertion point as you type. There are following 3 important points which would help you while typing. Press tab to go to next column. Press enter to go to next row. Press alt enter to enter a new line in the same column. Now you can see. Hello Excel and hello worksheet in the same column. Thank you.